Hello everybody and welcome. Come on in. This is Caldera Creative Creations. I make wreath for holidays and some home decor. Well, today we are making another shimmy shimmy beauty. We want to put some glitter up in this fall season. So we are working with some of these gorgeous items. We are also working with some pumpkins. You could just put some caboodle little sticks up in there. We got some cotton, we got some pine cones. We got assorted variety of tan and colorful leaves. And we got some berries. Okay, once again, thanks for coming to my channel. Let's get this started. First thing, we are just gonna work our way up here and go around with these beauties. How's everybody in YouTube land doing? Hope all is good. I am just doing fine like always. Just being here with you guys is just everything, you know. Good therapy. Makes me happy. Makes my day. Oh, I'm for real. Thanks for coming again. And here we go. Look at how just that little shimmy shimmy does. Okay, and let's get these beauty pumpkins. Get them in. Simple, simple. We're going to get another one. Work that one up right there. Okay, and let's get some of these. Where are we going to put this little... Uh-oh. Cotton's kind of coming through. Let's get cotton right there. I wish I had some more of those. Okay, and there's some pine cone. We got the pine cone going. Okay, now let's get wild with these variety of wild colors now. Just visualize and step back and visualize, you know. Imagine the picture with all the beautiful leaves. Oh, I miss Oregon. All the beautiful color of leaves. When we were young, we used to all pile them up and just jump in them. Had to clean up all the leaves, but yet we had fun doing it. That's what I miss. The beautiful leaves. Okay, look at this. How's it looking, everybody? Like I said, I am going to start getting into my Christmas. I didn't even go shopping, but when I go shopping and get some goodies, I will let you guys know. It's going to be a while. Okay, I think we're going to take that out. Here we go. There. Then let's take this up a notch right here. And how is that looking, everybody? Just a little bit of things to make a beautiful wreath. Just take out all your little pieces and pieces if you have of leaves. That's what I did. Cleaning out my fall leaves. So I thought, hey, I'm just going to put them all together and voila. Let's put them up here and so you guys could visualize better. And bada boom, bada bam, bada bam. Hey, there we go. Let me adjust my camera and let you guys see the beautiful. How's that look? I think I've got to adjust some of this stuff. Let's get some. Just and put it in here like that. Okay, I think we'll get this. Adjust this over here like that. Now, how's that looking, everybody? Beautiful. And we'll get this sleeve in here. Like that. There it is, everybody. So once again, thanks for coming to my channel. If you got any ideas or just enjoy my videos, subscribe. And until then, have a festive, fun, happy fall. Thank you. See ya. Let me adjust it back. Okay, I can't adjust it back. Thanks again.